Had to jump start it like 3 weeks ago. Battery was dead from sitting. Super dusty. Spare battery. Let's see if this one got some juice in it. That's not gonna reach. Oh yeah. We got power now. See these windows roll down. Super hot. Oh, it's finicky. We'll go prime the fuel pump a little bit. That's where my jumper cable's at. Get it out in front of the garage.
Body talking.
Ran it for a little too long. It's a little too hot to work on the gaskets at least. Oh, yo, get started on cleaning her up at least. Battery charge. The auto battery. I don't got no engine degreaser, but this stuff works pretty dang good too. Make sure you use gloves. That thing burns. to, it's pretty decent now, so I can do it a lot better later. I'll have to do probably do oil change and then get started on all of this stuff. We got it done. Safety first. And butter up. Oh, not too bad. There's a glove right here. Don't even remember what I got there. Oh, that oil is dark. Haven't changed it in like 3 years. To be fair, I only use it like once or twice a year, so yeah, can only tell. Oil filter is right here, mobile one. All right, I got the right one. Heavy. Not too bad. That new oil filter in there, or stuff flag in there, knowing my luck. I'll make sure you put some oil in here. Looks like it's pre-oiled, but put some in case. And that can go fine. To do it. So what I'm planning to do is remove this, the intake, and hopefully just slide this down and clean it up and change the gasket. Pretty rusty sitting. Hopefully this gasket is bad and not the downpipe one. I do have a downpipe one, but I'm not trying to go under there and do that right now. So I'm lazy like that, but I will if I need to. But yeah, still waiting on that oil to drip. Trying to think what else I can do before that. But yeah. I don't want those breaking. I heard I'm missing like 2, I think. Got that thing in, got everything back, cleaned it up a little bit more. It's kind of decent. It's not perfect, there's still a lot of imperfection, but it's not a big deal. It's not a car show or anything like that. It's just show off your ride, kind of, for the employees. So
control in the name of love. For the both of us, I put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the name of love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry, no, 'cause we stay in control in the name of love. Ride with me, don't gotta worry for the both of us. You in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the name of love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry, no, 'cause we stay in control in the name of love.
Say hi to the camera.
Hi! It's now